My life as a mechanic started for me in Waukomis, Oklahoma, standing around in the back of my grandfather's Ford garage, hoping that one of the mechanics would share just a little piece of information about how to fix a car. Those were the formative years. Well, I suppose my fascination with classic cars has never faded. Now I can't believe it. I've been here 40 years at the same location working on old cars, and I can't wait to get to work every day just to learn something new and to share that with someone in the shop. I've heard some fantastic stories in my shop. Think about the car that you first drove to high school, or that pickup that you hauled hay in when you were growing up. Corvettes, MGs, T-Birds, GTOs, pickups, Broncos, and Jeeps, just to name a few. I never lost my enthusiasm for classic cars. And I hope that over the years that I'll be able to help you with your cars and teach you something about how to work on your automobile. My name is Barry Wilson. Family man, classic car enthusiast, certified mechanic, and your guide under the hood of your favorite classic car. Hey, Barry Wilson, Wilson Auto Repair, working on this old flathead. We put an electronic ignition system in this distributor. That's a brand new distributor. On these old style distributors on these flatheads, they fit right at the front of the block. In addition to that, we're converting this to a 12-volt system, so we put fans on here to help keep the radiator cool when driving around town. Then we ran into an issue where the distributor cap won't fit because of the fans. So here's a tip I just wanted to show you. One of the things when we run into that, to get this fan recessed a little bit, it's actually mounted on the outside of this shroud. So we're going to take the shroud back off and put the fan on the inside. So it basically will be setting up against the radiator, and it'll move it in about that far where we'll have room for the cap. And I've done this before on Mustangs where the Mustangs don't clear, and when you're using the fan shroud, you want to move the fan on the other side of the shroud. Sometimes you have to work on the hole there to make that work, but it's a good fit. It'll work right, and it'll give us some room to get this distributor cap in there so everything will be all together and looking perfect. Hey, Barry Wilson, Wilson Auto Repair. Go to my website, wilsonauto.com.